Good afternoon po. Ngayon po ay October 12, 2025 Sunday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong October 12, 2025 Sunday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 p.m. 3D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong Sunday, October 12, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 p.m. 'See you again later for 5 p.m. draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for October 12, 2025, Sunday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Super Lotto 649 and Ultra Lotto 658 for Sunday, October 12, 2025. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video for afternoon of October 12, 2025, Sunday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.